Position the CAPE2700 facing the vehicle, 30 to 90 centimeters from the headlight beams, then rotate the column to get into the correct alignment. Next, move the headlight beam tester in front of the first headlight to be checked, and launch the start procedure using the handle button, without letting go of the device. If you are a repair shop, you can choose to perform a free measurement on the headlight beam or an advanced front light system adjustment. Enter the license plate number of the inspected vehicle. You can also select one from the list if the transmission protocol enables it. Then select the lights to be tested and confirm. All operations can be performed directly on the CAPE2700 screen or on a remote display. The new alignment system appears. Move the headlamp tester along the column, then from left to right, so that the cursor is positioned within the circle displayed on the screen. Confirm the position and then the measurement using the handle button. Repeat the process on the right headlight, then on the headlight beams you have selected. The remote display enables you to monitor the measurement from several meters away on a large screen or on a tablet. At the end of the test, all measurements are reported on the summary page. Finally, by connecting the CAPE2700 to your computer network, you can access the test report.